what it is. Back here on the ZX6R, day 5, trying to hit and stay at balance point. Maybe today's the day, who knows? Probably not, but maybe. Hopefully, that'd be nice. Not starting off like that though. Oh, this bike is scary. I think to start off today, we should lower the tire pressure a little more because, well, it's still pretty high. Balance point. Let's hit fucking balance point. You can do it, James. Don't be scared. Hit the brake. Be gentle on the throttle. Easy peasy. Okay, not great. Not terrible either. Alright, that was pretty bad. Doesn't feel like it's gonna be a good day. It's just feeling really wobbly. Really wobbly. It's okay. Just gotta do it. Stop thinking so much. You gotta do it better than that though. feels any better. Comfortable on the bike, but fuck, progress sure is slow. That's okay, it was slow for the Grom too. It took a solid like 2.5 months of trying like as much as possible before I unlocked the balance point on that bike, so it's probably going to take a while on this one too. Gotta keep trying. That one down really hard. I think I'm gonna check my bike over, make sure nothing's broken. I will be back in a bit, maybe. Peace. All right, we're back. Bike is fine. So we're gonna try a few more and probably head back home after that. Bring it up to balance point as fast as possible so I can stay down lower in the RPMs where it doesn't make as much power, and it's a little more forgiving down there. Still really struggling with controlling the direction of the bike while on one wheel though. Getting a little comfortable. causing that wobble, but it scares the fuck out of me. Bad throttle control. I think that's what it is. I think I just realized it. Bad throttle control. Need to be smoother. Like by a lot. Alright, I'll try. I gotta try a little harder than that. Actively smoother on the throttle, and it definitely felt like it wobbled less, but I was chasing, so not doing a very good job there. It's so scary, dude. Like, when it starts really wobbling, like, fuck, it feels like if you don't bring it down quick, it's gonna throw you off. Experimenting, trying to look through different places to see where I could get a view of what's in front of me. With this full fairing bike, man, you're really blind as fuck once it's up there. Alright, that was bad. It's okay, try again. Getting better. Well, more consistent at least. Not quite holding balance point yet, but definitely, you know, peeking into it just a little. That's something. Fuck, my hands hurt. Getting real tired. But fuck, I want to get this down so bad. But the longer I practice, the more tired I get, the worse they get, because my hands get tired and I can't keep it consistent. So if I practice too long, it literally doesn't get me any progress. But it's hard because I want it fucking bad. Around balance point for a while, so that's good. Do it again, but keep it slower. we're just gonna make one more run back the other way and probably head home. All right, James, pull out a good one. Bumpy, they fuck me up. All right, do better. Do better. That wasn't much better, too much chasing. Maybe one or two more down the exit road. All right. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.